So you see that bitch over there? See that bitch over there? She looking at me. She can't be looking at me. Her face all turned up and stuff. It's like that bitch over there talking shit too. She better pipe back. I see you guilty bitches hating with no evidence. Don't make us pop up in this bitch and get real ignorant. Pipe down, you don't want it. Hey, Hunni Bunz. Okay, y'all. So today in this video, I'm gonna show y'all how to slay your eyebrows, even when you ain't even got them waxed yet, baby. Like if they need to be waxed or arched or anything, and they just out here looking a mess, and you just out here looking like Wolverine's wife or something like that, baby, it's still a way to slay. Okay. I ain't even have time to shape up my eyebrows yet, but y'all, I'm just gonna make it do what it do. So, um, first off, I'm gonna go in with my little nub of a my little nub of a pencil. Um, and that is my I wanna say that's one of my Nicka K pencils in the shade dark brown or black brown. One of the two. But I know it has a spoolie on the end. And y'all, that thing is just about done, okay? But guess who gonna use it till it's gone? Or till I can't hold it no more? I am. So yes, y'all, remember in the front, we're gonna lightly stroke the eyebrow. And just fill it in towards the back. And as y'all can see, I don't even have a tail at the end of my eyebrows. Y'all, my eyebrows used to be so full. Like, usually before I shape them up, I would wait. I would really wait until everything grows back. But sometimes, y'all, I just can't wait. Because it's like every time I do want to wait, something comes up. And I'm like, okay, you know what? I got to get these brows in order. So yeah, y'all know how it go. Everybody done had one of these moments before. And some of y'all just be waiting to go spend your little $10, $12 on Ling Ling them when you can, finesse it just a little bit. I'm gonna post a video on how I get my hair off too without going to Ling Ling them. I'm gonna put that video up too. But for right now, let me show y'all how to finesse this with these hairs, honey. So next, I'm going to go in with my Nicka K concealer at the bottom. That's shade number 4. And I'm going to cover them hairs up, baby. Y'all going to see how I do. Just watch. Okay, y'all. So right here, I'm going to go in with my Becca concealer in the shade Cedar. And I am going to put that on the top. And y'all just watch how everything come together once I'm done, outlining it. You gonna see. You gonna see. Okay, so once I'm done outlining, I am going to take my spoolie And I'm just going to brush the front part of my brows. And that's pretty much to get that ombre effect. You know, you just kind of want it to fade out. You want that light effect in the front, and you want it to go like medium to dark into your eyebrows. So now I'm gonna take my makeup brush and just blend it in. Blend that concealer in. Blend that concealer in till you can't blend no more, honey. Blend, blend, blend. Beat, blend, beat. If y'all don't learn nothing else from me, you gonna learn to beat, blend, beats, honey. Then right here, I'm just gonna use my Real Technique beauty sponge and blend it in some more. Like, I can't be walking around here looking like erased chalkboard by the eyes and everything else. And I know my lighting making it look a little crazy, but y'all get the picture. See there? You see how they came together? Do you see how they came together? Now, y'all, I'm going to finish this look off by putting my eyelashes on. I ain't put on no foundation or none of that. Like, listen, I'm sitting in hair school all day with a mask on my face. So it's like, at this point, what's the point right now? Plus, I'm in a rush. You know what I'm saying? I done got my children together. I was making this video for y'all so y'all can see how to finesse the brows when you got hairs going wild. So, yeah, y'all, this is how I am going to top it off. Y'all, don't forget to go follow me on social media. My IG name is A Chanel. That's AYECHANELL. My Snapchat is Fashionelle. It's FYYECHANELL. And y'all know I am a female rapper. So go to my YouTube page and my IG, which is Dareal, DAREAL underscore AYEKAY 47. Yeah, my music be popping. I'm in a female rap duo called AK 47. And we lit though. For real. So we gonna press them lashes on, honey. And look at that. Look at that. Look how I just brought myself on together. Wolverine wife who? Who? Thank y'all. Period. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye, y'all.